What the fuck? What the hell? That's fucked up. No oxygen. I'm walking around underwater.
You play.
Oh wait, there's steps here I can run up. I wonder if I jump back in. What the fuck? He dives like it's water that lands like it's the ground. If I do it from higher up, I'll probably die, but I'm going to do it anyway. Oh no. What the fuck?
That is tripped out.
I could probably drive this out, don't I? No. Water physics still applies to cars. Can't swim to the surface, let's get the fuck out.